Today we went through GraphQL. Yes, so as you can see, this is a post request for GraphQL, and this is the request body, the query basically. Yeah, so if you are very new to GraphQL, I'd like to tell you that this is a very good technology, especially when it comes to integrations. Yeah, so you can be able to do like main integrations between different systems whereby you are able to query the same API differently and getting different results. For example, you can see this is my query, and if I fire this query, this is the response I'm getting. So you might find that in some integrations, for example, just as an example, you don't need this object, the other object. So just come here and remove this from the query. Now, if you run the query, you will realize that that object no longer exists, and then nothing is breaking the backend. Yeah, even these other fields, you can come here and say, I don't want this. I don't even want this. I just want this 4. Then you fire the query, you get the 4. So this is basically the power of GraphQL. Yeah, so these are simple projects, very basic project I did so that I can give somebody who is new a quick head start. Yeah, so it is not like something very complicated. It is something which is very simple to implement. For example, in Spring Boot, you just need to add this dependency. Then after doing that, you come here to application properties. You don't need to add anything for it to work. So as you can see, it is empty. Then this is now a very important file. You can see where it is located. So whatever query we are firing, we are defining it here, and this is the object. Basically, you can see the book, you can see the other object, and several other parameters. So this is the other object. So basically, it's a simple project to demonstrate this concept. So for example, if you look at the book object, we just have a few variables, and then we are initializing this list so that we can be able to do a quick search using this function you are seeing here. Yeah, so we added them manually, but these ones you can fetch them from DB. So even the author, we're also doing the same. You can see here. So the lists are very common and very basic. Yeah, so if you want to play around with this code, make some changes and see how it behaves, you can be able to get it from the video description below. Yeah, so for any queries or any support, you can just leave a comment. We'll be able to respond back. Thank you for your time.